And this right here, just take my spanner tool. And again, these aren't very tight, so you can actually just take this right out of there. And there's the bearings. Look pretty packed with dry grease. I don't even think they're turning in there. Comes right out. So we'll put that in a little bit of dissolver and get that grease off of there. I'm going to go ahead and remove the fixed cup, and these come off clockwise, and they're usually pretty tight, so hopefully this will come out with a couple of taps. Oh yeah, that was awesome. Okay, that wasn't too tight at all. You can go ahead and just turn it.